because we got to test sushi. But guess what? We're going to taste something different today. But before we do that, I've got to introduce you again to the continent we are talking about, the continent of Asia. Who remembers what color Asia is on our map? Yellow, yellow, yellow. Yellow right here, right? So let's sing our song, okay? Because I want to supersize it. Scoot back a little bit, Fisher. Are we ready? North America, South America, Europe, Asia, Africa. Don't forget Australia. Don't forget Antarctica. Hold down there. All right, so let's take Asia out and let's supersize Asia. Get your copy machines out. Beep, 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 supersize. Okay, did I show you guys the rooster country yesterday? Cock-a-doodle-doo! Kind of reminds me of Daisy, the happy hen. So, this country is called China.
I know that.
And China. How many people have heard the name China before?
Me.
Mm-hmm.
I've learned it at home.
I know. I've heard China lately. I know.
Mom, we're not any there, but we passed it.
Okay, so they say that China looks like a rooster. I'm going to show you what China's flag looks like. So Anna, can you go get me an artboard real quick? I want to see if you guys can tell me what looks the same. If we look at, thank you Anna, if we look at China's flag and we look at our flag up there on the wall, what do you notice is the same about our flags?
It has red.
Can you sit down, sweetie?
Red.
It has red, you're right.
And
China's flag has red,
stars.
and our flag has red, and our flag has stars, and China's flag has stars. But what's different? The stars are yellow on China's flag, and our stars
there's
are...
only a couple. White.
You're right. China has, let's count how many stars China has. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that one in the middle is super big, right? Can you scoot over a little bit? Yeah, you can scoot a little bit closer to Sunny up there. Okay, so this flag is actually really fun to make because you get to use sticker stars. So you're going to take one of your red pieces of paper that already looks like a flag, and if you look, there are little lines on the circle that show you where your stars go. So watch this. I'm going to take one little strip of little gold stickers, and I'm just going to take them off and put them one at a time on my flag. There's one. Here comes another one. There's two. Here comes another one. Oh, you gotta really use your pinchers. There's three. How many do I have left? One more little one. And then I gotta go back in and look for my big star.
I saw one.
There it is. I'm gonna put that one right in the middle.
And there goes China.
Look at that. And I can take this home and hang it in my bedroom if I want. Anna, where do we put these papers when we're done? All right, now, let me show you the food we're going to try. First of all, we had sushi yesterday, and we know in Asia they like to eat lots and lots of rice
And sushi.
and vegetables, which makes your body super strong. I'll be right back. I just want to point out.
I had ants in a log today for lunch.
Yum. Do they use forks, knives, and spoons? Boys, please sit back. Do they use forks, knives, and spoons to eat?
Yeah.
Fisher, Nathan.
What?
No, they use chopsticks. Should we ever take our chopsticks and pull them apart? No, we want to use them and pinch them.
Zesty. I don't know how you chopstick.
Maybe you want to pretend to eat a carrot. Or maybe you want to pretend to eat a cucumber. Or maybe you want to pretend to eat a little corn.
Is that what adults do?
No, these are pretend, but this is good chopstick practice. But if you want to eat something real,
I want to eat something real.
I don't know if you guys have ever
I
gone.
taste those.
I don't know if you guys have ever gone to
And
a
me.
Chinese restaurant.
I did it, but I ate one at home. Did they say something?
Okay.
I was trying to eat, I was trying to eat the biscuit, and I got one of those.
Okay, so listen.
Here.
If you go to a Chinese restaurant and order Chinese food, a lot of times for dessert, they will give you a fortune cookie that looks
I
like
got the
this.
fortune cookie. I had one.
Now the cool thing, listen, the cool thing about a fortune cookie is if you take your thumbs and put one on each side and gently pull it apart,
It says
there's a paper inside.
you can eat it.
No, you don't want to eat it, but if
No,
you
I mean you can eat that.
listen. So if you have your mom or dad read you what's on the paper, it usually tells you about something good that's going to happen in your life.
And mine says, I forgot what ours said, but ours said something like go all by yourself.
Mine says this is the year when ingenuity stands high on the list. That means this year, all of my smart
Mine
thinking is
says-
going to pay
mine
off. I don't know.
Mine-
Ingenuity, I don't know.
Mine just
It just says we're going to get through this year strong. Woohoo! I like that. Okay. Now, look what else you can do. When you're done reading your fortune, you can take a piece of the cookie.
Yeah, and mine the wrapper
Delicious.
said, I want to eat it.
Okay, we're going to give it a taste.
Mom,